In this video, we will learn how to make slide design using hexagon shape in PowerPoint. So watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. Click on shape, select hexagon shape, drag it like this. Drag the yellow dot to the right side. Go to rotate, select rotate right 90 degree. Make multiple duplicates of this shape and select some of them and reduce their size. Select all, go to merge shape, select union. Go back to insert, click on shape, select rectangle, drag it like this. Click on right button, send to back. Select both, go to merge shape, select subtract. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go back to insert, click on picture, select landscape image and insert it. Click on right button and send to back. Select shape, click on right button, go to format shape, go to fill, select gradient fill. Select this from preset and select color using eyedropper one by one. And select direction. Go to shadow and select inner shadow from preset. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight information here. Select this, go to animation tab, go to add animation, apply line animation, go to effect option, select from left. Zoom out the slide, select arrow, drag it like this and increase duration size. Select text box, apply flying animation, go to effect option, select from right and start with previous. Also increase duration and delay size. Select and click on animation painter and apply on this text box. Increase delay size. Again click on animation painter and apply on this text box. Increase delay size. Now click on slideshow and see. We have learned how to make a slide design using hexagon shapes in PowerPoint. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next video. Thank you.